Hello, welcome to the garden. One of my favorite things to grow, and definitely my favorite thing to harvest, is sweet potatoes. I live and garden in western Pennsylvania, which is not a typical place you think about sweet potatoes because they need a long season. They like the heat, but we've had a lot of success growing sweet potatoes in our area. Now I was just back in here weeding and kind of pruning out some old plants and that kind of thing, and I saw a tunnel back here in my sweet potatoes. Last year we lost a lot of our harvest to voles burrowing into our sweet potato beds and eating them, so it's a little earlier than I care to, but we're harvesting this bed of sweet potatoes because I'd rather harvest them a little bit early and get some good yield versus wait and have the voles decide to eat all of them. So let's take a look at what we have. So in here I did 5 or 6 slips, like right in here. If you get in there you can see some sweet potatoes from the surface. But right here is where I see some burrowing. So I want to get these out and see what our yield is for this bed. This is like opening up a whole bunch of little presents, so we have no idea what's growing beneath the surface. So join me. Right in here is where one is planted. That's where we're gonna start. Let's see. Back. True. Oh wow, look, there's 2 you can see from the surface. Well, last year when I was shooting this video, somebody kind of griped at me because they didn't think I should be harvesting with my hands, but I found when I harvest with a fork, a lot of times I do more damage than good. So I try to see what I can get out just with my hand first, then we think about bringing the fork in. That is a just beautiful sweet potato right there. Let's see, yeah. Another really nice one. Yes, Lucky. I hear you, honey. Just never quite sure what direction we're going. There we go. So there is some fantastic meals. It's our harvest from our first plant. Let's keep going. Alright, so here's our next one. Here's the base of the plant right in here. I'm going to come in and nip off the vine. Just going to gently pull and see what we get here. Okay. There's a little guy. I think I could get some use out of that. And it looks like that broke off going this direction, so I may have to dig going back. But it's pretty nice one so far, babe.
See that? Looking good.
Yeah.
Yep. That's a sweet tater right there.
That is a sweet tater right there. So, this one, there we go. And look at these. You see that amount at the surface. So we're going to kind of just that. This is a beauty right there. I usually need to zoom out for that harvest. Here we go. Okay. There we go. Okay. So looks like we got another one going this way. Oh. Broke off down there. Where is that? So that's a pretty nice sweet potato right there. And this way. Oh, crap. I should have proceeded more carefully there. So there's something deep down in there. Alright, we just found a little bit more, and the neighbor started mowing, so, you know, deal with it. That's a beautiful sweet potato. There's one more right there. Oh, there's another one. Oh, shoot. That one just kind of broke off right in my hand. Let's see if there's anything more going on right here. There's, that broke off. Oh, there's another one. Perhaps. Okay, I don't know how much that's going to be right there, but we got, can you see? Yeah, you can see both of those. Oh, there's more. Okay, I didn't actually anticipate them being that deep down, so look at that. That's pretty cool. Can you see all of those? One there, one there, one there, one there. Okay, let's see. I try to come over here. I try to come ease up there, gentle. See if that loosens enough for me to be able to get those, some of those out of there. Let's see. Oh, there's another one. These are little guys, but I can eat little guys too here. I can eat little sweet potatoes along with the big ones. There we go. Can you see this one? Yeah. There we go. Oh, there's another one. Oh, that's a little guy. Get way down in there. Loosen it a ways away and not damage the sweet potato. There we go. Alright, here is our sweet potato harvest from our first bed. I'm guessing around 10-ish pounds of sweet potatoes. I have a way that I cure them, but we're not getting to that tonight, so I'll probably show that in a later vlog. I also have some up. If you check out our sweet potato playlist that I'll post at the end of this video. There's a couple videos on how I cure my sweet potatoes. They need high heat, high humidity for a period of time, and that gets the flavor that you expect from a sweet potato. So that's pretty happy with that harvest. I've got a cup of tea and a couch waiting for me. So thank you for joining me. We'll see you in a video soon.